Today we're soundproofing my office and improving my voiceovers with the help of our 12-pack of adhesive soundproofing panels from BeeQuiet. They come shipped to your door with everything you need to sound like a pro. Open up the box, and inside you can find your... Wait a second, something's happening. Spread out your panels as they're about to expand. And while we wait for them to fully expand, let's get back to the unboxing. You have your instructions, a sheet of backup adhesive patches, and then 12 squares of 2-inch thick soundproofing. On the back of the soundproofing, you have a removable back film. Peel that away, and it reveals a sticky backing more than strong enough to hold it in place. These panels feature a cool design and measure in at 12 by 12. So find an area with enough wall space to install, and it's time to get started. Peel off the back, and then you can apply an extra adhesive patch or two to give some extra support to your panels. There's enough patches to cover one per panel, so if you want to use all the panels, spread out your patches. Then stick it to the wall. Press down evenly and firmly to make sure everything is stuck. Then do the same for the rest. And if you use them all, it'll quickly fill up your wall. And after you're all said and done, you'll see a noticeable difference in the echo of the room. There's less background noise, and my words are more crisp and bassy. These panels really do their job and have drastically improved my voiceovers. We live on a road with traffic, so there's always some sound coming in from the outside, and these definitely help cut down on the background noise. Not only that, but they were super easy to install. I love the adhesive backing. It just makes it so easy. And for the record, even on the hottest days, when the AC isn't working, the panels still stick to the wall and don't fall down. I was curious how strong they'd be, and so far, I'm really impressed. They look nice, they bring a professional look to my office, and my voiceovers are sounding better than ever. So if you'd like others to be quiet and cut down on background noise as well, this pack of soundproofing might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go record my next voiceover. See ya!